Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to tie an unconventional owambe gele. The measurement for this gele is 70-30 and the length of the gele is length 75 but with 3 awe. So you're going to make 6 to 8 pleats, place at the back and bring forward as seen, then you cross. So just watch carefully and see how I do it. After crossing, you pin down. Then you take your longer part, you pin down and cross it all the way to the other side. Watch carefully.
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. Flying. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
When you're done turning it around to the other side, you'd then tie, as you can see.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was
Now we go ahead to start making big pleats on the longer part. Just watch and see what I'm doing. Big on top, small at the bottom.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
You continue to do that until you exhaust the fabric on the longer part. As you can see. After that, you go ahead to make ruffles on that short part that you're seeing right now.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
When making the ruffles, you pin where necessary, then you join to that other part that you pleated, just so that it could stay together. After that, you proceed to take the remaining part of this one and pin it together. Just watch and see how I do it. This gele style is very simple and easy to do, but yet it's very classy. It's a beautiful piece. Our gele is taking shape already. Now you pin where necessary to hold in place. Please ensure that when you're pinning at the back, like you place your pin at the back and join together. Now we proceed to make finishing touches and cover the back. When you're covering the back, you have to be careful. You have to do it gently so that you don't lose that pleat that you made previously. See? Voila, this is our final look. Very beautiful and classy piece. Please guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.